Good morning students, this is Sri Lakshmi from Pragati Degree College, Kanpur. Okay, semester 2. Okay, in semester 1 we can discuss physical chemistry, first inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. Okay, in this semester we have to study organic chemistry and general chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry and general chemistry. Organic chemistry means alkanes and cycloalkanes. This is the first unit. The second unit is alkenes and alkynes. The third unit is benzene and its reactivity. Okay, in general chemistry, fourth unit is colloid and absorption, chemical bonding, HSAB. That means hard and soft acid and base. Okay, next fifth unit is stereochemistry of carbon compounds. Okay, these are the syllabus in the semester 2. Okay, now we can discuss the organic chemistry. The first unit is alkanes and cycloalkanes. First, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry means the compound which contain carbon atom. Okay, the compound which contain carbon atom. Okay, then with the carbon, next the compound will remain contain sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. Okay, and iodine, fluorine, and bromine. Okay, the compound which contain carbon atom, and some compounds also containing hydrogen and nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. Okay, iodine, fluorine, bromine also. Okay, the next carbon. The carbon atomic number is 6. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay. In this carbon, the valency electrons is 4. The valency electrons is 4. So the valency of carbon is 4. That means carbon can form 4 bonds. Okay, carbon is attached with 4 bonds. Okay, next alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, alkanes means ANE. Alkanes means the compound which contain single bond. The compound which contain single bond. Alkenes means the compounds which contain double bond. Okay, alkynes means the compound which contain triple bond. Okay, next the general electronic configuration of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. Okay, alkenes are CnH2n. Alkynes are CnH2n minus 2. Okay, alkanes are also called as paraffins. Okay, alkenes are also called as olefins. Okay, next S character. Okay, S character means in alkanes they have 25% S character. In alkenes they have 33.5% S character. Next alkenes they have 50% S character. That means hybridization. This is sp3 hybridization, that is tetrahedral. Okay, next alkenes are sp2 hybridization. Okay, that is trigonal. Next, alkenes are sp hybridization, that is linear. Okay. Next, the bond angle. Bond angle. The bond angle of alkanes are 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay. The bond angle of alkenes are 120 degrees. Next, the bond angle of alkanes are 180 degrees. Okay. Next, bond length. Bond length of alkanes are 1.54 angstroms. Bond length of alkenes are 1.32 angstroms. The bond length in alkanes are 1.2 angstroms. Okay. Alkanes have more acidic than alkanes. Okay. Okay. Next, the compound which contain only single bonds. The organic compound which contain only single bonds that are called saturated compounds. The compounds are called saturated compounds. Okay. The compounds which contain multiple bonds, that means either double bond or triple bond. The compound which contain multiple bonds are called unsaturated compound. That means this is saturated compound. Okay, these two are unsaturated compounds. Okay, a compound which contains single bond, that is saturated compound. The compound which contains multiple, that is double bond or triple bond, are called unsaturated compound. Next, first one, the organic compound means the compound which mustly contain carbon atoms. Okay. Next, argon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, chlorine, bromine also. Next, alkanes means single, double. Alkenes means double bond. Alkynes means triple bond. That means the organic compounds are present in a straight line. Okay, that is called aliphatic hydrocarbons. Okay, can exist carbon which is attached with 4 bonds. That means here one bond is present, remaining 3, that is hydrogen. Okay, here 2 bonds are present here, this carbon, remaining 2 bonds, that is 2 hydrogens. Here 2 bonds are present, remaining 2. Next, 3. Each carbon containing 4 bonds. Okay, this is the aliphatic hydrocarbon or aliphatic alkane. Okay, the compound which present in straight line, that is aliphatic. Okay, the compound is present in aromatic, present in cyclic structure. Okay, cyclic structure. This is aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, if a compound is an aromatic, okay, the compound must contain first one cyclic structure must contain. Okay, the second point is the compound must contain delocalization, that is alternative double bonds. Okay, next planar structure. Okay, next the fourth point is the compound can obey Huckel's rule, that means 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, the compound can obey Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, these 4 points are obeyed then the compound have aromatic. This is aliphatic, this is aromatic. Saturated means the compound must contain only single bonds, that is saturated compound. The compound which contains double bond or triple bond, that is unsaturated compound. Okay. Next, primary carbon. Primary carbon means the carbon atom is attached with only one carbon atom is called primary carbon. Okay, that means here I can take 5 carbon child. That is 5 means first we can discuss the compound contain only one carbon atom. Okay, one carbon. The name is meth. Okay, 2 carbon atoms, eth. Okay, 3 carbons, prop. Okay, 4, 1 carbon atom is present, that is meth. Okay, next 2 carbon atoms are present, that is eth. 3 carbons are present in the compound, that is prop. 4 carbon atoms are present, that is bute. Okay, 5 carbon atoms are present, that is penta. Okay, or buta or penta. Okay, next 6 carbon atoms are present, that is hexa. Hexa. Okay, buta, penta, hexa. Next 7 carbon atoms are present, that is hepta. Okay, 8 carbons are present, that is oct. Okay, 9 carbons are present, nano. Okay, 10 carbons are present, that is deca. Okay, deca. If 1 carbon is present, that is meth, eth, prop, bute. Okay, penta, hexa, hepta, oct, nano, deca. Okay, next here I can take 5 carbon containing chain. 5 means penta. Okay, penta. Okay, all are single bonds only. Single bond means ane, A-N-E. Okay, this is penta. 5 carbons are present, so penta. Okay, all are single bonds, so ane. Double bonds means ene. Triple bonds means ine. Okay, here only single bonds are present, so ane. Okay, hydrogens can satisfy. Okay, here these carbon, every carbon can attach with 4 bonds. Here the carbon is attached with only 1 bond. Remaining 3 bonds can attach with hydrogen. Here 2 bonds are present. Remaining 2. Here 2 bonds are also present. Remaining 2. Okay, 2 bonds are already present. Remaining 2. Here this carbon is present in only 1 bond. So remaining 3 bonds is attached with hydrogen. Okay, this is pentane. Okay, next. The carbon atom is attached with another single carbon atom. Okay, the carbon atom is attached with another carbon atom, that is called primary carbon. Okay, next. Can satisfy the hydrogen bonds. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are present. So there is no hydrogens. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 bonds are present. Remaining 1 bond, that is hydrogen. Okay, here 2 bonds are present. Remaining 2 bonds, that is hydrogen. Okay, here 1 bond is present. Remaining 3 bonds are attached with hydrogen. Okay, the carbon atom is attached with another carbon atom. So this carbon is called primary carbon. Next, these carbon can attach with 2 different carbon atoms. This carbon is attached with 2 different carbons. So this carbon is called secondary carbon. Okay, next, this carbon is attached with 3 carbon atoms. This carbon is attached with 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. So this carbon is called tertiary carbon. Okay. Then this carbon is attached with 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This carbon is attached with 4 carbon. So this carbon is called quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon or neo carbon. Neo. Okay. Neo carbon.